In this video, I will show you how to fix high RAM usage in Windows 11. But before this, subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. So let's get started. First step is Registry tweak. To do this, type Registry editor in the search box and open it. Now open the directory I am opening. Search for undo in it. There it is. Now in it, open the start and change its hexadecimal value from 2 to 4. Then scroll up in the registry editor and in control set 001 open control. In it open session manager and in session manager open memory management. Modify the clear page shutdown and change its value in hexadecimal to 1. Step 2 is to disable startup apps. To do this, open the setting. In setting on the side, open apps bar. And in the last corner, open the startup apps and disable all the apps you see there. The next step is msconfig service. To do this, open run and type msconfig and click on OK. Open the services bar and hide on Microsoft services, and after it is hidden, disable it. I have already disabled it, so the option will not be available. Then not forget to apply and OK it. Step is to disable some main services. To do this, search for services and then open it. In it, search for sysmain service. There it is. Open its property and disable it permanently from there. In the last, don't forget to apply and then OK it. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.